Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know the last episode ended off with Uvusi causing it drama, demanding answers rather from his father and his mother Pam Gawenzeni, Pam Wabo, Mam V. Guys, it was a chaos. So anyway, this episode starts off where we see Unjengaye, Upheteni, Uvusi and Utrina. They are entering the study room. So Wushuguti, they could see the environment dining room it's tense, so they decided to go a study room ukuze bayexoxa le ndaba. So uVusi is still heated and he says into engifuna uyazi nje kuphela yiqiniso mina. UPhetheni is like, Vusi uyithathaphi le nto kodwa? uVusi is like, ma abalekile njengamanje. Into engifuna uyazi nina nobabili ukuthi njengamanje kuzokwenzakalani mina nonkosikazi wami, ye? Nizosikhipha la endlini siyohlala emgaqweni? UPhetheni is like, hayi Vusi awuhlisa umoya, cela uhlale phansi sikhulume. uVusi is like, angifuni ukuhlala phansi ma, angifuni. Cela siya kuzenzisa sikhulumeni iqinise kube kanye nje kulomndeni. Yazi yonke lento iyenza isense manje. Ukuthi kungani la ekhaya I've always felt out of place. Unjengaye is like, Vusi. uVusi is like, soloko ngazalwa mina baba, soloko ngazalwa. Uthando luka baba angilwazi mina. Unjengaye is like, Vusi hlala phansi sikhulume. Ugcina is like, sithando sami cela uhlale phansi. uVusi doesn't want to hear nothing. He's like, gcina cela ukuthi ungiyeke. Ngithe angifuni ukuhlala phansi. Ma, wathula nawe. Uyangibuka sonke lesi sikhathi ngihlukumezeka la endlini. Unjengaye is like, uhlukumezeka wena. Wena uhlukumezeka. Ayikho into engizange ngakwenzela yona Vusi. Inkinga yakho wena yikuthi ungumfana kamama. uVusi is like, mhlampe ngoba ngifuze ubaba ongizalayo. Unjengaye is like, ubaba okuzalayo yimina engikuzalayo Vusi. uVusi is like, ngiyindodana yakho. And then Unjengaye then says, yeah, uligazi lami. Nowenzeni. uVusi at this point, there's tears running down his face, and then he says, Baba, ukwenzwe yena. Unjengaye just keeps quiet and he looks at uPhetheni. Ugcina and uVusi look at uPhetheni. uPhetheni that time, guys, her eyes are just closed. Akazazi ukuthi athini, ingathi umhlaba ungavuleke. She doesn't even know what to say, and then the scene just ends like that. Okay, next scene, Ukwanzo's in his apartment. He's pouring juice for himself from his fridge while he's listening to voice notes kaWenzeni. So uWenzeni in the voice note, she's like, hey bo, Kwenzo, impilo zethu zingamanga Kwenzo. uVusi is not a Dlamini. Angazi nami ukuthi ngithini noma ngenze njani, kodwa ngiyacela. Cela ukuthi ubuye Kwenzo. Ngiyazi ukuthi ubuya kwakho uzolungisa yonke lento lena. And then uKwenzo so surprised, he's like, Few minutes later, we see uSibongile. She is entering ekamereni lakhe eTopo. She's still at home. So she sees when she's entering the room, the phone is ringing, so she answers the phone. And then she notices ukuthi uKwenzo. She's like, Makotizela. Sawubona myeni wami. Then uKwenzo's like, yeah, lelo lizwi yilona that I just need to hear. Ebengifuna ulizwa njengamanje. uSibongile is like, how? Wenzenjani? Wazwakala ingathi awuphathekile kahle. And then uKwenzo's like, Sibongile, ngisanda kuthola ukuthi uVusi akusiyona indodana kababa. uSibongile is like, hayi bo Kwenzo unamanga. uKwenzo's like, I wish I was Sibongile. Kodwa-ke ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngithwalise ngey'nkinga zasendlini akuyona inhloso yami leyo. uSibongile zathi, sithando sami, uVusi usengumfowenu. Nakhu nami nengane zakwethu zingazalwa ubaba wami, but we are still siblings. And then uKwenzo then says ukuthi kungangcono kube yena uyakwazi lokho. And then uSibongile zathi, Jehovah, uVusi wabantu, ngiyamcabangela that he must be devastated wherever he is. And then Ukwenzo's like, yeah. Ukwenzo, you can see Shame, he is shocked as well. But listen, Shame, Ukwenzo, I feel so sorry for him, guys. Anyway, next scene, we see KwaVuma, uNtombela. It's a full house. I'm wondering, Butchebo, what's going on? KwaGcwala kangaka lana KwaVuma. uNtombela ulapho, uSipho, uVelephi, uKhuzwayo, uSibongile benosangweni. So uVelephi then says ingathi yibona labo, and then we see uVuma benoSamke bengena emnyango. uNtombela's like, hey, ekugcineni baze bafike, yazi angifuni ukuhlala kakhulu emzini yabantu, amadimoni abo azogcina esenamathela kumina. Then uKhuzwayo's like, hey, nasiza nagcina nifikile, sitsheleni-ke ukuthi niwubizelani lo mhlangano, kunini sinilindile. uVuma's like, asithi nje halala halala halala, Mr. and Mrs. Mbambo. That time when he's saying halala halala, he's waving benoSamke, they are waving their hands in the air, guys, they are wearing rings. Kusho ukuthi they went to go and get married, and that's why they're calling this meeting, so that they can announce to both families ukuthi they decided to go and get married. uSamke's like, sishadile. uKhuzwayo's like, hayi bo, yithi niyadlala nina ngoba hayi bo. uSamke's like, surprise. Guys, the only people who are smiling is uKhuzwayo, uSibongile benosipho. The others, they couldn't even fake a smile. uKhuzwayo's like, ngempela. uVelephi's like, surprise enjani ke lena. uNtombela's like, engathokozisi nje. Hey, few minutes later, ke, everyone is seated down on the table. uNtombela's like, nishada kanjani engakhokhelwanga amalobola. And then uSamke's like, how lokho sizokwenza sizokulungisa lokho kahle mesinemali. uNtombela's like, uyamkhulumela nomkhulumela sis, desperate ngaleyo ndlela for umshado, And then uSamke's like, how siyathandana nje. And then uNtombela's like, siyathandana nje, yazi nca anqaphe. Then uKhuzwayo's like, so shukuthi anikwazanga ukulinda umndeni wenu ukuze nathi sibe khona lapho uSangweni angenelele. uSangweni is like, ya kahle kahle sidinga impendulo, yini ephuthuma kangako eyenza ukuthi sekumele nishade nje in such a hurry, yingoba mhlawumbe uSibongile uzoshada manje anifuni ukuhlwa yingane, so kumele nishade in a hurry. Guys, the way I loved, because it is giving those vibes, but I'm like, uSangweni has a zero filter. And then uVuma's like, hi Sangweni, sekwanele. uSipho then says, congratulations auntie, ngiyanibongela impela mina. uSibongile's like, cha baba, you could have told us, sikwazi ukweneseka nathi njengomndeni wenu. And then uVuma says, mntanami, bokungelula ukuthi sihambe siyoshada ningekho, bokuyisinqumo esinzima, kodwa-ke sinoSamke sibonile nje ukuthi asenze ngendlela ekahle ezodala ukuthi there is no fights amongst the families. uNtombela then says, ayikho lento echazayo Vuma, ayikho. Wena nje ufuna inkomo ozoyisenga mahala. Then ulokhuzana uSamke says, awukahle bhuti, awuvali umlomo wakho please. uNtombela's like, uzokwenzani? Oh, ngiyabona-ke, uzongiqosha emzini wadeliwe, ihlazo le. uVelephi then says, ngempela ngichaza, yini lena ephuthuma kangaka? Baba, uma akuphelanga lesikhathi esingakanani simngcwabile, wena baba sowukhethe omunye umuntu wesifazane kanjalo nje, ingathi niphuthumele-ke lento yenu. And then uVuma then says ukuthi niyazi ukuthi sibadala thina, that means siyayazi into esiyenzayo thina, asishongo thina ukuthi hambisanani nalento esiyenzayo, kodwa sicela into eyodwa nje, nihloniphe isinqumo sethu sibadala. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene, we see uSamke usembalenhle, she's speaking to one of her waitresses there. She's like, okay sisi, uzobuya ungicheckele elinye itafula ngithi. So as she's saying that, emnyango there's this girl ongena emnyango and she's uphethe ama-suitcase. So Samke turns and she's like, how wamkelekile ekhaya. Then the girl says, sawubona ma, and then uSamke goes over and hugs her. So I'm wondering who is this girl? So Samke's like, why uthathe isikhathi ukuthi ufike? And then the girl goes on to say, ma, uyamazi ukuthi ulindo unjani, uvele wangivalela endlini, bokumele ukuthi ngimlinde ahambe aye emsebenzini so that I can gather my things, ngiqoqe izinto zami ngibaleke njengoba ngilana nje. uSamke's like, lo dude, Kodwa-ke akusenani, usekhaya uphephile manje. And then the girl looks around ukuthi i-tavern mos le, it's a mini tavern yana. She's like, manje mina ngizohlala kuphi? Then uSamke's like, nami yikuthi nje kunamagundwane okumele ngiwafumigate mabili nje ashiwe udeliwe. I'm just like, guys, uSamke is calling uSangweni benovelephi amagundwane. And she's planning to get rid of them so that this girl, whoever she is supposed to come and live in the house now. But since she's married Novuma. But I've been saying this, guys. I said, Uguti, it's quite dodgy for the fact that Usamke will do anything to win Usbongile's support or to win Usbongile over. But she doesn't do anything when it comes to Uvelephi Sangweni. It's like she doesn't like them. And she's akazimiselanga for uSangweni benovelephi to accept her. So kusho ukuthi plan yakhe vele was to get rid of la magundwane kadeliwe. Next scene unjengaye is at uNomfundo's house. So we see uNomfundo coming from the kitchen, putting a cool drinking on the table for him. So she sits down and she's like, Sibalukhulu, indaba yephethenity kaKwenzo. Kuhamba njani ngayo? Awukazi ungichazele or ungitshele lutho phela. And then unjengaye is like, hey, mina angithanda ukukhuluma ngalento. Into engifuna ukuyikhuluma njengamanje ikusasa nje. Ngidecidile ukuthi-ke ngizomdivosa uPhetheni ngithathe wena. Yo, uNomfundo is so surprised. She's like, Sibalukhulu, ngeke. Awufuna ukulungisa umshado wakho. And then unjengaye is like, wena uyimina nje. If you were me, ungahlala nentokazi enjengoPhetheni. Nomfundo's like, ngiyamzwela uPhetheni kodwa-ke lento ayenzile ayilungiseki. Unjengaye is like, uyedwa umuntu engikhathazeke ngaye ulento ukwenzo nje. Ngizokwenza noma yini ukuze ngimvikele kuyo yonke lento le. And then the scene ends. Guys, this is going to be an interesting one because you know what I foresee happening? I foresee happening even though Unjengaye knows ukuthi uKwenzo is not his son. It's not going to change things for uVusi. Vusi is still going to continue being the black sheep. And that just goes to show what is sometimes, guys, that are willing to love children that are not theirs more than their own blood children. And this is, I feel like that's what we're going to see with this whole situation. Anyway, uVuma-ke, he's sitting, uzenzela stock taking sakhe while drinking itiye. And then uSibongile walks past. So Sibongile, she walks past the bottom, she's like, hayibo sasa, kanti yini le oyigezayo engapheli lapho. And then she comes towards the kitchen or towards the lounge, and then she sits next to ubaba wakhe uVuma. Then uSibongile says, baba, yazi angikholwa ukuthi uphinde washada ngempela. Then uVuma's like, yeah, ngani yami. uSibongile's like, hayi kodwa akunayo inkinga baba ngoba umamSamke vele unenhliziyo enhle. As she's speaking like that, uSamke walks through the door, guys. She comes in the door, she's working with uSipho and this same girl that came le kwaMbalenhle. So Samke's like, sanibonani. She says to the girl, she kwama lapho emnyango beka phansi nje size ngalana. She comes in, she's like, kwangcono sanithola niphelele nonke la ekhaya. uVuma's like, hayi impela sikhona. So everyone's looking at uSamke and the girl like to say, who is this girl ofika neyikhwama la ekhaya? So Sibongile says, manje ma, awuzusitshela uthi ubani isivakashi sethu. uSamke's like, oh yeah, iyazi mina kodwa. Igama lakhe nguBabsi, indodakazi yami. Usezohlala nathi. Uvelephi in the kitchen, she's like, hayi bandla, and then she claps her hand. Guys, uSamke has a daughter all along and she's been quiet. And imagine, she just got married today. Already she's bringing her daughter to go and stay in the house. Uzohlala kuphi? Like where? Because already uSibongile benoVelephi are sharing a room. Why doesn't she take her daughter to go and stay there, KwaNtombela? Because she's moving out and she's coming to stay here. There's going to be space for her there. Yeah. Few minutes later, we see uSamke ekamereni likadeliwe. Aye guys, she's sitting on the bed. She's busy chilling there. But you can see ukuthi uVuma, he's not happy about what just transpired or what just happened. So uVuma's like, yabona manje, ungenze ngabukeka njengomuntu ongahlelekile nje, umuntu ongazi umuzi wakhe. USamkeza athi ngiyaxolisa. UVuma's like, la ikhona leyo ngane leyo, yazi ukuthi angiyifuni ukuthi ngiyayizonda mina, kanti mina angiyazi mina leyo ngane. USamkeza athi ngiyazi ukuthi I should have told you. As she's speaking like that, ifone kaVuma rings. So uVuma aphakame, he answers the phone. Then he answers the phone, he's like, Umbambo? Oh, how? Oh, okay. Ngizomfuna ngize ngimthole, ngimlethe laphayana ngokwami. Okay. Hayi ngiyakuthembisa, siyabonga. Switches off the phone, uSamkeza kwenze njani? UVuma zathi amaphoyisa. USamkeza, oh. UVuma zathi bafuna uSangweni. Ngabe usenzeni lo mfana? USamkeza ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi uSangweni wenzeni. Phela ufikile laphayana eMbalenhle, wamane wakhoza i-chaos enye, waphequla izinto, wajijela amatshe, bo, like ukhoze i-drama nje wabhihiza izinto laphayana eMbalenhle. UVuma's like, wathula wangasho lutho. Then uSamkeza like, bengingafuni ukukustressa. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngubhuti ofonela amaphoyisa. Kodwa-ke ungazikhathazi, ngizokhuluma naye ukuthi alisule icala. UVuma then says, ngiyacela, cela ukhulume naye ubhuti wakho. And then uSamkeza says, okay. UVuma sathi kufanele ngiyomfuna lo mfana, ngimthole, ngikhulume naye. Kuyonakala-ke manje. UVuma walks out of the room. As UVuma walks out of the room, uSamkeza takes out her phone. She makes a phone call kuNtombela. She's like, bhuti, lalela. Sekafonile amaphoyisa lana, afuna uSangweni. Ngithe kuVuma wena obafonele, so kuzomela ukuthi ungikhavare, okay? Mntakama ngiyabonga ukuthi uhlezi unami ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kodwa-ke ungayiyeki-ke lento, uyicindezele, uyipresse nje, indlela edelela ngayo leyangane, mele ikhokhe, and then the scene ends like that. Guys, hayi samke ukhohlakeni. UVuma, guys, same unebhadi when it comes to women. All these women of his seem like they're innocent, they're good kanti bakhohlakele. Imagine she's telling UVuma ukuthi she's going to make sure ukuthi liyasusa icala, whereas she's pressing ukuthi uNtombela must make sure ukuthi this thing continues so that uSangweni gets arrested and she can get rid of him. Next scene, girl, we see uVusi, he's picking out wine out of that wine rack yababwake. So uNjengaye comes in while uVusi picked out a wine. Then he's like, Chateau d'Ivoire, 1998. Yini, ucelebrateani mfanami? uVusi then says, let me just say, Baba, we are celebrating life and truth. Angithi sesiyazi la ekhaya ubani ungubani. And then uNjengaye says, if you ever repeat those words, sizoxabana. Uyangizwa? uVusi zayo kodwa baba. uNjengaye zayo kodwa ini? Akusiyona indawo yakho ukuthi utshela ukwenza iqiniso. Uyangizwa? If you do, waqhubeka, wakwenza, ngizocima kwiWilliam. Siyezwana? uVusi responds and says, so vele la ekhaya sesaphenduka umndeni ospecialize ngamanga, nemfihlo, nenkohliso. If you speak the truth, zozoxesha we-will ke manje mawukhuluma iqiniso. uNjengaye then says ukuthi senzela ukwenzo lana. Ukugcina imfihlo iyona lena, ukuvikela ukwenzo. Kodwa wena ngeke wazi lutho ngoba wena vele awunangane, awunamntwana. uVusi like, yazi baba, i-wrong lento yenzayo. Uyangicacela ukuthi awufundanga lutho kule saga kaNomalanga. Ukwenzo bamqambele amanga for inyanga nezinyanga. Nathi nje njengomndeni wakhe ufuna ukuthi siqhubeke lapho simqambele amanga. And then uNjengaye says ukuthi iyaphapha wena uyaphapha undizela le emafini ithi ngikutshele ke mfana, dare you tell him uzohlala le emgaqweni njengephala. Siyezwana? As they speaking like that, uKwenzo walks in. uNjengaye is like, hey indodana. So obviously they have to act as if they were not having intense conversation. And then uwenza then says ukuthi ngaba konke kuhamba kahle. Uvusi is like, hayi yonke into i-perfect. Mina nobaba lana siyatotisana, sifundisana ubuqotho njengamadoda. And then uwenza was like, oh okay, mengiqedile-ke ukudotisana nokufundisana ubuqotho njengamadoda bengicela Vusi ungijoyine kuna something that I need to okumele ukuthi ngikutshele yona. And then uKwenzo walks away. As uKwenzo walks away, uVusi is like, UKwenzo turns and then he's like, sure. uVusi is like, unento okumele ukuthi ngikutshele yona. And then you can see ukuthi uNjengaye, he's getting nervous that uVusi is about to spill the beans. uVusi walks closer to uKwenzo and then he just says, ngiyakuthanda ntwana yakithi. And then uKwenzo's like, you are full of jokes wena man. And then he walks away. Guys, yeah, the way uNjengaye is willing to protect uKwenzo's feelings at this point, I feel like if uNokuzana didn't know, if uVusi didn't know, I feel like uNjengaye was willing or would be willing to keep this as a secret just to keep uKwenzo as his son at this point. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.